How to remove try again later error on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix try again later error on Instagram. So if you're facing this type of problem, accent block problem, then this video will absolutely for you. So what you have to do here, first of all, make sure that you are updated Instagram application, so you can update it from Google Play Store or App Store. This is the solution for Android users as well as for the iOS users. So let me just start and show you how you can fix this problem. So here, this is my Instagram application. So what you need to do here, you have to simply click on your profile icon here on the below bottom right. So after this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on these 3 days on the top right of your screen. So after clicking to these 3 days, what you need to do here, it's very pretty simple. You just need to click on this settings option on the bottom, and then here you will find an option, account option. Here you can see, so simply you need to click on this account option. Now what you have to do, you can see here the option link account. So guys, simply click on this link account, and then you have to link your account from Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, or anyone. So you have to link, because Instagram thinks that this is a genuine account, so they don't provide you this type of error. So first of all, make sure that you linked with your Facebook or Twitter, and I'm 110% sure this will help you out. The second thing what you can do here is go back to your profile, and here you will find an option, edit option. So simply you need to click on this edit option, and then after clicking to this edit option, you have to just fill up your email address and phone number like this, and it's done. So this is very pretty simple. This will obviously work for you, and if it doesn't work, please comment down and I will surely help for you. So thanks for watching. Do like the video and subscribe to my channel.